Hello, class. Noah and I just wanted to say hello. And if you have any questions, make sure that you email me and I will respond as soon as possible. If you don't understand something, if something's not clear to you, then make sure that you reach out. Okay, so I'm going to show you very quickly how you can see your assignment. So once you get into your RunLab, make sure you choose the language, and each day is listed. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I can copy and paste right from here. You will be working on this one on a worksheet. So all worksheets will be downloaded into, if you were to go to your OneDrive, you can see each day, and then from there, let's just go Wednesday. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it. I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm copying and I'm pasting. That's Control C. So for copy, and then if you go into here, you will see in OneDrive. So if I click on my OneDrive, I shared this with you last week. You'll see on the side here, I have my libraries, and yours is the BCS 6th grade grammar class. So if you click that, if you click on the folder, that's the worksheet that you'll be downloading that you need. So if you click on it, you can download it. And once you download it, you can actually manipulate it. So you can highlight things, and that's what I just clicked on. So in this particular worksheet, you're working on finding the errors. So I see school and the wrong principal is used, and then tomorrow is spelled wrong. So I'm highlighting each one, and then from there I can click on, those are the different colors. I can use any color, but if you go to the top, you'll see tools, and if you go to annotate, you can actually make a text box. So notice it says rewrite each sentence so it's correct. So I'm just going to quick type in here the way that it should look. Once I've done the entire sentence, I would do the same thing for the other sentences. And then from there, I can just click save. When I save a document, I'm going to rename it so that I know what it is. I'd write my name. I'm probably going to write what it is, and then maybe the date that it is, so that I can kind of keep track of that myself. I might even add turn in so I don't get confused as to which document. I always put it on my desktop so it'll just show up right there, and I can easily turn it in, right, going right back to those folders that I had. So if I go into my RunWeb, and then from there I get back into, where is it? Hello, the SharePoint class. So we're going back to our OneDrive. In order to turn things in, I have to make sure that I have the folders. So we'll go right back into that site that we had before, so 6th grade grammar. And when we get into that class, we'll go to the site. And so from this site, that's where you're turning in all of your work. And the most important thing is that you make yourself a folder, and I will show you that in just a sec. And then you make the days that we are going to be out of school. So from here, we're going to go to this notebook. So I click on it, and then from the notebook, you are going to do what I did. So this is my example. So you just hit section, you're going to write your name. So write your name, don't write your name, but actually write your name. Then on page, you're going to make a page for every day. So we have Monday the 23rd, then Tuesday the 24th, and so on. So I'm going to make a day for each day of this week, and then I'll do the same for next week. So Friday the 27th, and there's all my work. So then I have two things I need to do. One, I needed to do the correcting thing. So I just drive it in, and now I've turned it in. I would also on that day do the writing assignment. I'm just not going to do it on here. You should have that. If you don't, I will upload it once I get it from school tomorrow. So this would be Wednesdays. So I'm just going to go through the lesson. So it says look up at least 15 words with the ending. So then I'd open another thing, go ahead and type in IBLE suffix words. I'm going to find different lists, and then I can just copy and paste. So these are going to be on a quiz, so make sure that you are understanding what it is. So here's some common words: responsible, eligible, incredible, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to just go ahead and paste them in. Now, prefix, re means to do again, pre means to do before. I'm going to write 10 words. So if I can think of 10 words, I can go ahead and type in 10 words. But if I want a little help and I want to look them up, that's fine too. So I'm going to write prefix, re, and then hopefully maybe I can even put word list or whatever. Here's a few words. Obviously it's not 10, so it's only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to copy and paste those in, but I'm going to have to look up more, or I'm going to have to come up with some more. So I'm going to go ahead and type those in. Notice I'm going to put a re right there, so Mrs. T can easily see what my work is. I need some more words, so let's go look for some. So where was it? Here it is. So I'm going to go down. Oh, there's a whole bunch more. So highlight those. I only need 5 more, so I'll just take those 5. That's fine for me. So guys, this isn't meant to like take you all day. Our class normally is between 30 and 45 depending on the day and if we come right from lunch quick or if we take a little longer lunch. So this is meant for you to just be remembering to get some learning in. So we're doing suffixes, we're doing prefixes, we're going to do some of those homophones. On Wednesdays, I might say label a sentence, but I'm not meaning for this to take you forever. So you would do pre the same way. Down here, you're going to write a definition. So for each, so I'm going to just make sure I write it out. Well, you can look those up. And then the next one, I'm going to highlight so that I keep it a little separate, keep it neat. Write a sentence for each of the homophones. Okay, I now know what they mean. So the course of the race track was made of dirt. Alright, so we have that course. I don't want it all highlighted. Let's try again. And then I definitely want to make sure that I want to make sure that I underline the word that that I'm doing in my sentence. So I'll do that in just a sec. So the writing course, the other course, the writing course was difficult but enjoyable. So there I go, underline, where is it? Okay, underline and course. The other course, I'm going to make sure that's underlined, so I use them both. Notice it says complete writing for Monday, so I'm going to leave that on Monday as part of Monday's work, but if I'm not done, I would go back and do that writing section. So there's one for Thursday, one for Friday. Some days you won't even turn anything in here because you'll be doing quizzes or another website or something else. So this is just for things that you can turn on. And then when you're done the day, share it with me and be on your way. So you would have turned it in and now go on to another lesson. So notice that Tuesday you're going to do a quiz. There's a code, so you just go ahead and do that code. There's a video to make sure that you watch. Always make sure that you write your name. So make sure that you are writing your name. I don't know what I'm doing here. On your quizzes. Those count that you go there, that you do them. I can see everyone's grades and how they're doing, and so that is going to go. This is just another reminder to you that you should be sending in your homework assignments every day and that they all count, so make sure you're following your lesson plans. You should not send them in every hour or anything, but just make sure that every day you're going through the lesson plan, that you're doing the assignments, and that you're using the OneDrive to send them to me. Please don't send them through email. That will just be a little bit harder to track. And so watch the videos of how to do the putting the notes and using the folders that I've been sending and I set up for you. And if you still aren't understanding something, you can contact me and we'll work out something together. But I will be checking my email and getting back to you as soon as possible. We're getting ready for Noah's school at home, and he's excited that Mommy gets to be teacher. And but we certainly will be excited when we can get back to school and normal life. And we miss you, and we'll talk to you soon. Right, Noah? Say bye.